Students, see the second problem, very important problem. A ball of mass 20 kg moving with a velocity of 5 meter per second. Okay, let's write down the given data. A ball consider ball as first body. A ball of mass 20 kg. Therefore, mass of first body m1 is equal to 20 kg moving with a velocity of 5 meter per second. Initial velocity of ball u1 is equal to 5 meter per second. Okay, next one, strikes directly another ball of mass 10 kg. Consider second ball as 2, mass of second ball m2 is equal to 10 kg moving in opposite direction. Okay, moving in opposite direction. So assume direction of movement of first ball towards right and direction of movement of second ball towards left side direction. Right side direction positive, left side direction negative. Okay, direction of movement is plus or minus. நீங்க எடுக்கிறது புரியுதா? That is your wish. Okay, நான் என்ன அசியூம் பண்ணிருக்கேன்? Towards right side direction positive, towards left side direction negative. Initial velocity of second ball is equal to 10 meter per second. Therefore, u2 is equal to minus 10 meter per second. Negative sign indicates towards left side direction. Okay. If the coefficient of restitution is 5 divided by 6, E is equal to 5 divided by 6, calculate the value 0.833. Find the velocity of each ball after impact, also calculate the loss in kinetic energy. Therefore, to find velocity of each ball after impact, velocity of first ball after impact is equal to V1. Velocity of second ball after impact is equal to V2. Second question, loss in kinetic energy. Loss in kinetic energy. Okay, any doubt? Direction of movement of first ball towards right, direction of movement of second ball towards left. Condition is given, second ball moves opposite direction with a velocity of 10 meter per second. Okay. Write down the first formula. Solution. Write down the first formula. Total momentum before impact is equal to total momentum after impact. Total momentum after impact. Okay. Before impact, respective velocity of balls are u1 and u2. After impact, respective velocity of balls are v1 and v2. Therefore, first formula m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to after impact m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Okay, substitute the values. Mass of first ball 20 kg into initial velocity 5 plus mass of second ball 10 kg into initial velocity or velocity before impact minus 10, opposite to the direction, minus 10 is equal to after impact 20 into, we don't know the velocity of first ball after impact, 20 into v1 plus m2 into m2 value 20 into v2. v1 v2 values are unknown value. Okay, calculate the value. 20 into 5 is equal to, see the values, 20 into 5 100, 100 minus 100 is equal to 0, is equal to 20 v1 plus mass of second ball 10. Okay, 20 v1 plus 10 into v2. Okay, any doubt? Therefore, 10 V2 is equal to minus 20 V1. Therefore, V2 is equal to minus 20 divided by 10 into V1. V2 is equal to minus 2 V1. Okay, any doubt? Rearrange this equation. 10 V2 is equal to minus 20 into V1. Therefore, V2 is equal to minus 20 divided by 10 into V1. Finally, you will get V2 is equal to minus 2 into V1. Okay, any doubt? Then, write down the second formula. Coefficient or restitution V is equal to V2 minus V1 divided by U1 minus U2. Okay, substitute the values. E is equal to 0.833 is equal to V2 value. V2 is equal to minus 2 into V1. Minus 2 into V1 minus V1 divided by U1 value 5 minus U2 value minus 10. Okay, any doubt? Then calculate the values. Cross multiplication of this term. Cross multiplication 0.833 into minus plus. Okay, 10 plus 5 15 is equal to minus 2 V1 minus V1 is equal to minus 3 V1. Therefore, V1 is equal to 0.833 into 15 divided by minus 3. Okay, calculate the first value V1. Minus 4.163 meter per second. Okay, any doubt? Next one, substitute V1 value in equation number 1. We consider V2 is equal to minus 2 into V1 as equation number 1. Substitute V1 in equation number 1. Therefore, V2 is equal to minus 2 into, instead of V1, substitute minus 4.163. Okay, minus 4.163. Minus into minus plus. Therefore, find out V2 answer 8.33 meter per second. Any doubt? V1 answer known value and V2 also known value. Okay, then first copy this content. Second unknown value, loss in kinetic energy. Okay, loss in kinetic energy. Loss in kinetic energy is equal to kinetic energy before impact minus kinetic energy after impact. Okay, loss in kinetic energy is equal to total kinetic energy before impact. Okay, minus total kinetic energy after impact. Total kinetic energy means kinetic energy of first ball 1 by 2 into m1 into u1 square plus kinetic energy of second ball 1 by 2 into m2 into u2 square is equal to minus kinetic energy, total kinetic energy after impact 1 by 2 into m1 into v1 square plus 1 by 2 into m2 into v2 square. Okay, all the values are known value. Substitute the values. Is equal to 1 by 2 into mass of first ball. Mass of first ball 20 kilogram into velocity of first ball 5 meter per second, 5 square plus 1 by 2 into 10 into initial velocity of second ball minus 10 square minus 1 by 2 into 20 into V1 is equal to minus 4.163 square plus 1 by 2 into M2 10 into V2 8.33 square. Okay. Final answer, loss in kinetic energy is equal to 229.58 joule. 229.58 joule. Okay. இந்த ஜூல் எப்படி வந்ததுன்னு புரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? கைனெட்டிக் எனர்ஜி ஃபார்முலா 1 by 2 இந்த kinetic energy formula 1 by 2 into m into v square, 1 by 2 constant term, no unit of mass kilogram into unit of velocity meter per second. Already here there is a square value, kilogram into meter per second square is equal to kilogram into meter square divided by second square, meter into meter divided by second square. 1 kilogram meter per second square is equal to Newton. Remaining term meter, Newton into meter is equal to joule. Okay, Newton into meter is equal to joule. That's all.